Okay, if you're preparing for your A-levels and you need a final boost, then what I recommend you to get is our ETG Ultimate Exam Pack. So you get access to the Econs Essence workshop where I cover 20 exam questions, which most of them will be from this year's prelim questions. You also get access to my 4-hour final consolidation lecture where I'm sharing about predictions for this year's A-level paper. You get to sit for 2 more exams that I've set, and in these 2 more exams, I'll feature questions that I think have a higher probability of coming up for this year's A-level examinations, as well as access to our Level 2 Essay and CSQ Bootcamp where you get to cover 24 essays and 16 case studies in 2 days. And these are all the materials that you'll be getting. There are only 30 slots available, so please register early to avoid disappointment. Go to tuitiongenius.com/ultimate.